Tears, pain, you never left my side. You remained the same, and I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey gems, it's Tayshawn Miller, and today I will be doing another big chop on a new client. So I've already freshly washed her hair. She is currently 1 year into not having a texturizer. So right now I'm just getting ready to put a little bit of my conditioner on her hair so that I can comb it out and see exactly what it is that I'm working with, what needs to be cut, and just to get her hair nice and soft and things like that. Now her mom is right behind me, so I'm explaining to her as I comb it out and film for you guys what's going on. So if you can see on the ends of her hair here, her ends seem to look natural, right? Along with her roots. But in the middle, it's bone straight. That's because many of us, when we do, not relaxers, but when we do Texlax or texturizers, we tend to put it on the root and work it down some, but we don't go to the ends. So obviously her mom had been doing that to her hair. So that's why she has all that new growth, which is from a year. And then she has all the straight parts in the middle. Meanwhile, the majority of it on the end has been breaking off left and right due to being uneven. We were just talking about this in my previous video with my daughter. When you don't trim off those ends, and when you decide to stop perming your hair, go natural, or stop texturizing it and going natural, your hair will just break wherever it feels like breaking. It's very disrespectful, trust me. So here we are getting ready to do the first cut, and yes, you could just feel, I mean, I get so excited, y'all, when I cut. I really do. Especially when people cross over from being permed or texturized to being natural, because it's just a healthier journey. And I just love healthy hair. I just love treating hair and taking care of hair. And then when they use my growth oil, I just like, it just really, oh my God, I just get super excited. But anyway, back to the video. So yeah, we're just going ahead, and unlike my daughter, I decided with her to just go ahead and cut it all off now. I didn't really want to leave any straight parts, because for what? I mean, you know, she's already decided to go natural, so may as well just, you know, get it all off now, because she's going to be doing a protective box braid style. So right now I'm just continuing to cut it. And one of the things I did notice when I was like parting her hair and stuff, she was kind of like squinching and stuff, and you know, it was kind of hurting her because she is somewhat tender-headed. But baby, once we cut off all that texturized hair and she just had that new growth there, I put my growth oil on there and I combed her hair. I asked her at least 3 times, was it hurting? And she was like, no. And I was just so happy, y'all. I mean, we have to understand, you know, we just got to take time with these babies and do their hair. Sometimes we just go ahead and out of anger or out of like feeling like we have no other option, no other choice, we made the decision to perm their hair so young, or we make the decision to texturize it because they're so kinky. But there's things out there that can really help, because what we don't know is we are ruining these babies' hair by texturizing it and by perming it. I know for me, myself, when I was on that creamy crack, I suffered from migraines heavily. I mean, like, I would know when I needed to perm my hair because I would get a bad headache. And even if I didn't need to perm my hair, I just got migraines, and they were just awful. And it wasn't until I stopped perming my hair that I noticed that the migraines were gone. So we have to keep that in mind with these babies. We need to teach them to embrace themselves, you know, love themselves with their kinks, with their curls, you know, whatever it is that they have. We need to teach them to accept it and love themselves for that. And they'll feel so much free. so much freer, or however I can say it. All right, guys, so I'll be back with more talking. Enjoy the music. And she is now natural, guys. Look at that beautiful hair. So I'm going to go ahead and give her one of my little conditioner massages. Everybody gets this once they go natural. I just run my hands through their hair and just try to get that curl pattern to pop and just massage their scalp and let them just relax. And yeah, it's just like a woo-saw moment. Definitely she enjoyed it, and you see her little eyes was rolling when I was doing it. She was enjoying her little scalp massage. So once I'm done with this scalp massage, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse the conditioner out of her hair. So we're gonna go ahead and start her box braids, and it's not gonna be a full tutorial, of course, because I'm always doing box braids. Just wanted you guys to see the cut and know the history behind why she decided to cut her hair, which was because she was 1 year into not texturizing her hair and she wanted to go ahead and be natural. I believe this little girl is 7 or 8 years old, so she made a very wise decision. I'm very proud of her. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and put some of my growth oil into her hair. They did purchase a couple of bottles, so she's going to need it on her natural hair journey, because this is going to keep her hair moisturized. It's going to help grow her hair rapidly, and it's just going to help keep her curls in pop mode. Definitely. So yeah, we're using the Zuri braid hair. Her mom brought 3 packs, but we didn't use all 3. We used 2 and a little bit over a half, and that's about it. We got it in the color number 4. And by the way, guys, this little girl here is tender-headed, and she did not flinch when I did her hair at all. She didn't say ouch, not one time. Nothing seemed to bother her. Nothing seemed to hurt her. Yeah. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the braiding, show you all her picture at the end, and that will be it. So enjoy. Thank you all. I love you all so much, y'all. I'm almost at 26,000 subscribers. I think I need like another 250, and I will be at 26,000 subscribers, and I would not make it without you. Although YouTube is very shady, don't give y'all my notifications for nothing when I go live. When I'm doing my videos, it's all good because it's all God. And I know very soon I will have my time just like everyone else. So I'm just being humble and I'm just being patient. And I just definitely want to thank you all for being here for me. Those who are always on time when I post, who comment, who like, who share my videos. I would not be anywhere without you guys being there on my team. So I really love you, gems, from the bottom of my heart. God bless, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
We're gonna have to go very slow. And soft.